In this video, we will be going over how to install the X7359 EcoHitch for your Chevy Bolt EV. To start, open the trunk and remove the screws near the rear tail lights. Locate the 3 screws on the inside of the rear wheel wells and remove them with a Torx wrench. Using a trim removal tool, remove the 2 plastic remaining pop rivets on the underside of the rear bumper. Gently pry back the wheel well body trim to reveal the hidden Torx head screw. Remove the 4th screw near the wheel well on the underside. On the inside of the bumper, unplug the main wire connection as you begin to gently peel it away from the vehicle. Depending on your year of vehicle, you will need to trim different dimensions off your bumper as shown in the instructions. This will allow your EcoHitch to remain hidden and have the highest ground clearance. Next, remove the factory cross member and install your EcoHitch. With your EcoHitch on, reinstall the factory cross member and torque all factory hardware to 40 foot-pounds. Finally, reinstall the bumper, wire harness, and vehicle trim in the reverse order it was removed. Once everything is back on, your EcoHitch is properly installed and ready to use.
This video is a guide for visual reference. Please always refer to our instructions when installing Torque products, for they are updated regularly. For any questions, visit our website or give us a call at 800-246-8132.